I'll be going over this template, the create an order fulfillment from a new row in Google Sheets. You can go ahead and install this template in your MESA dashboard. Then you'll go through the template setup steps. You'll need to create a credential with Google Sheets. Then you'll need to select the location, the Shopify location where you would like to create an order fulfillment with. Please make sure your products are available at this location. Then you'll need to name your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Then you'll need to select the spreadsheet columns. It is recommended to keep all 3 of these. And then you're all set. To summarize the steps, this starts when a Google Sheets row is created. You'll see in the configure section that it will check every hour. And then we'll get the Shopify unfulfilled order details using these parameters where we search by the order name and the fulfillment status is unfulfilled. And we limit it to 1 result or 1 order. Then we'll loop on that unfulfilled order. And this filter step checks that the order we added in the Google Sheets matches the order we've retrieved from Shopify. And then we'll retrieve the order's details, and then we'll create that order fulfillment using the order ID, the tracking company, the tracking number, and location ID. In order to test this workflow, you'll want to go to the spreadsheet that was created and use an order. So the order I'm using is number 1426. So I will create a row. And then I'll go back to my MESA dashboard and hit Save Changes. And then going to the test section, you'll see that it'll pull up that row. And then I am just going to go to the Activity tab, turn on Debug Logs for troubleshooting, go back to the Builder tab, and then test my workflow. That has completed, and you'll see that order number 1426 has been filled with the USPCS tracking number, and you'll see in the timeline that MESA has fulfilled it. And then if you have our Tractor app, you can then track the order and view the tracking details.